Welcome to Tactical Masters, your source for aviation and military insights. In today's video, we explore the People's Liberation Army Navy Air Force, its origins, leadership, aircraft fleet, naval aviation capabilities, and future direction. Founded in 1952, the Naval Aviation branch of the People's Liberation Army Navy has grown into one of the most powerful maritime air forces in the world. Operating as a key component of the People's Liberation Army, the force supports China's expanding naval presence across the Western Pacific and beyond. Headquartered within China's naval command structure, the Naval Air Arm is responsible for carrier aviation, maritime patrol, anti-submarine warfare, reconnaissance, and fleet air defense. Today, the force operates with approximately 18,000 personnel and a fleet of more than 200 aircraft, supporting China's rapidly modernizing navy. The Naval Aviation branch operates under the command structure of the People's Liberation Army Navy, which itself answers to the Central Military Commission of China. The current commander of the Naval Air Arm is Hu Zhongming, who oversees operational readiness, fleet integration, and modernization programs. Supporting the command structure is the Chief of Staff, Lu Zizhu, responsible for operational coordination, training, and aviation strategy. Naval aviation units are distributed across China's three major fleet commands, the North Sea Fleet, East Sea Fleet, and South Sea Fleet, ensuring coverage of China's vast maritime interests. The People's Liberation Army Navy Air Force operates a modern fleet of carrier-capable and land-based fighter aircraft designed for air superiority, maritime strike, and fleet defense. One of the key fighters in service is the Shenyang J-15, a Chinese-developed air superiority fighter derived from the Russian Su-27 design. Approximately 50 J-11B and J-11BS aircraft serve within naval aviation units, providing long-range interception and defensive patrol capabilities over coastal regions. The backbone of China's carrier aviation capability is the Shenyang J-15, a heavy multi-role fighter designed for operations from aircraft carriers. Around 59 J-15 fighters are currently in service, operating from aircraft carriers and land-based naval airfields. An upgraded variant, the J-15T, has also entered service, optimized for operations from modern catapult-equipped carriers. China has also introduced the Shenyang J-15D, an electronic warfare version of the J-15 designed to suppress enemy radar systems and provide electronic support during naval operations. These aircraft play a key role in enabling carrier strike groups to operate in contested environments. Modern naval warfare requires advanced airborne surveillance and electronic intelligence platforms. China's Naval Air Arm operates several airborne early warning and reconnaissance aircraft. One of the most advanced systems is the KJ-500, a modern airborne early warning aircraft equipped with phased array radar capable of detecting aircraft and missiles over long distances. Another key platform is the KJ-200, based on the Y-8 transport aircraft, providing airborne surveillance and command and control support. Carrier groups also rely on helicopter-based early warning systems such as the China Z-18 AEW variant and the Russian Kamov Ka-31, which provide radar coverage for naval task forces. In the electronic intelligence role, China operates specialized variants of the Shaanxi Y-8 and Shaanxi Y-9, equipped with advanced sensors designed to collect radar and communication signals. Protecting naval fleets from submarine threats is a critical mission for naval aviation. China's primary fixed-wing anti-submarine platform is the KQ-200, derived from the Y-9 transport aircraft. With over 25 aircraft in service, the KQ-200 conducts long-range maritime patrols, submarine detection, and anti-submarine warfare missions. These aircraft operate alongside helicopters equipped with sonar, torpedoes, and maritime surveillance systems. Naval Aviation also maintains a fleet of transport aircraft supporting logistics, personnel movement, and special missions. Tactical transport aircraft include the Shaanxi Y-8, which provides cargo and troop transport capabilities. Lighter transport duties are handled by aircraft such as the Xian Y-7 and the Shijiazhuang Y-5. For VIP and command transport missions, the Navy operates Canadian-built Bombardier CRJ-200 and Bombardier CRJ-700 aircraft. Rotary wing aviation plays a critical role in naval operations. China's naval helicopter fleet performs missions including anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue, transport, and maritime patrol. Heavy helicopters such as the Changhe Z-8 support transport, search and rescue, and medical evacuation missions. The newer Changhe Z-18 provides improved lift capacity and modern avionics for carrier operations. Medium naval helicopters include the Harbin Z-9, widely used for anti-submarine warfare and maritime patrol. China has also introduced the modern Harbin Z-20, a multi-role helicopter designed to support shipborne operations. Additional helicopters such as the Kamov Ka-27 and Kamov Ka-28 continue to provide anti-submarine and search and rescue capabilities. Training naval aviators requires a wide range of basic and advanced training aircraft. Advanced jet training is conducted using the Hongdu JL-10 and Guizhou JL-9, including a carrier training version known as the JL-9G. Intermediate jet training is provided by the Hongdu JL-8. Basic flight training is conducted on the Nanchang CJ-6, which remains a key platform for pilot development. Specialized training for navigators and bombardiers uses modified Xian Y-7 aircraft. China's Naval Aviation branch is also expanding its unmanned aerial capabilities. Medium-altitude long-endurance drones such as the Harbin BZK-005 and BZK-007 provide maritime reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. High-altitude long-endurance surveillance is conducted using the Guizhou WZ-7 Soaring Dragon, a large unmanned aircraft designed for long-range reconnaissance missions. These drones significantly enhance China's ability to monitor vast maritime regions. China is continuing to rapidly modernize the People's Liberation Army Navy Air Force, with several next-generation aircraft expected to strengthen its carrier aviation capabilities in the coming years. At the center of this modernization is the Shenyang J-15, a fifth-generation stealth fighter designed for carrier operations. The aircraft features stealth characteristics, advanced sensors, and multi-role capability, making it the future backbone of China's carrier air wings. The J-35 is expected to operate from catapult-equipped carriers such as the Chinese aircraft carrier Fujian, significantly enhancing China's ability to project power at sea. Alongside the stealth fighter, upgraded variants of the Shenyang J-15 will continue to play an important role. The J-15T is optimized for catapult launches from modern carriers, improving payload capacity and range, while the J-15D electronic warfare variant is designed to suppress enemy radar and provide electronic support during naval operations. Another major advancement is the introduction of the KJ-600, a carrier-based airborne early warning and control aircraft. Acting as a flying command center, the KJ-600 uses powerful radar systems to detect airborne and maritime threats and guide fighter aircraft during combat operations. China is also developing naval training capabilities through the Hongdu JL-10 naval trainer. This aircraft will help train carrier pilots and may also serve as a light attack platform for certain missions. For maritime surveillance and anti-submarine warfare, China is expanding the use of the Shaanxi Y-8Q, also known as the KQ-200 maritime patrol aircraft. These aircraft provide long-range submarine detection, maritime reconnaissance, and ocean surveillance. Together, these aircraft represent the next generation of China's naval aviation. With stealth fighters, advanced airborne radar platforms, and improved anti-submarine patrol aircraft, the People's Liberation Army Navy Air Force is evolving into a powerful force capable of supporting China's expanding aircraft carrier fleet and protecting its maritime interests across the Indo-Pacific region. Since its establishment in 1952, the People's Liberation Army Navy Air Force has transformed into a modern maritime aviation force. Combining carrier fighters, advanced surveillance aircraft, anti-submarine platforms, helicopters, and unmanned systems, it plays a vital role in protecting China's maritime interests. As China continues expanding its naval power, the importance of naval aviation will only continue to grow. Thank you for watching Tactical Masters. Subscribe for more in-depth analysis on global air forces, military aviation, and tactical insights. Share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for our next video.